Hey Steve, Corey here. I'm just going to shoot over three free tips that way you can actually start out ranking your competition. Start really drawing in more quality leads for your business there. I got your website pulled up. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google likes really long streams of authoric content, really detailed of what you do, how you do it, makes a huge difference. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way we can layer other keywords of what we're trying to be found for. So really being about 15 to 2,000 words with all the content, from the top to bottom there. Even the images, what they're saved as, that's all content, and you can actually do keywords back there, and that'll make a big difference in your rankings. If I go inside of a Google and actually type in heating repair Sacramento, this is what you're going to pop up. Excuse me. You got these little Google guarantees right here at the top. These are actually brand new for Google. All these, a lot of business owners got tired of all these spammy phone calls, so Google came up with these to help weave out some of that spam calls. You got this ad right underneath of it. You got the all the other ads, those traditional ads at the very bottom. I don't know why they split it up like that. It happens sometimes. But a lot of people have been going away with ads just because of all those spammy phone calls, and actually diving into more areas of here and also here. In this little map section right here, really to get the rankings in this section is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is, it's just a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations, but don't stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more, whether it's the BBB, Yelp, City Star, Facebook, LinkedIn. There's thousands of them out there. So we just want to go get those same citations, but go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath that little map section, we have this little this is where all the organic traffic happens. So the rankings here really comes down to what's on your content, on your pages, how authoric are you, how much detailed information that you're giving the general public, plus high quality backlinks. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. You got 77 referring domains. You got 973 backlinks coming from that. Looks like historically you've had over 14,000 backlinks. Yeah, backlinks come and go, especially if you have really getting more high authoric quality backlinks will actually be you don't need as many to be there anyway. So just really getting high authority backlinks is what I was trying to say. You got 519 keywords coming from that. So in total, you're getting about 85 clicks to your website every month. I can actually go in and see where those clicks are actually coming from. Fix It Right. You got your name at the top there. You got Appliance Repair Sacramento. 12th position. There, you're actually coming a little up in the rankings. There's 350 clicks every month for that one keyword. AC Repair Sacramento CA, 90 clicks every single month. Spa Repair Sacramento, 50 clicks. Electrical Repair. Okay. Yeah, you're missing a lot of these traffics because you're 12th, 13th position. HVAC Repair Sacramento, 10th position. Then another 20 clicks there. So if we actually go through and add up all these clicks, making sure that you're landing a good position, first, second, third. Really, let me show you one of your competition. Let me show you what he's doing. This is Jaguar Heating and Air. He has let me do a quick overview. So he's got 121 referring domains, which is pushing back 382 backlinks. So he's getting 242 clicks to his site every month, all organically. And if we go into his keywords, He's like, I'm looking for buying intent keywords like HVAC Sacramento, 200 clicks. He's getting a little bit of traffic from that one keyword. Sacramento heating, 80 clicks every month. So just going through those buying intent keywords and just really grabbing those and putting a lot of power and energy toward them for ranking will definitely draw in a lot more quality business for yourselves, just all organically. But anyway, if you think that I could help you or got some tricks up my sleeve, I would love to hear back from you. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much.